Good evening, sir. My name is Lul Hidayat, and this video is for my project 2 for uh, cell. And yeah, we were given 5 questions about so we can review about urban street art. And the first question is what uh, what is the people review in the video. So basically, the first presenter in the video, she said that street art is not just a work of a spray can, but instead it is an art form, but an art form which is temporary and belongs to the street. And of course, it is when we talk about street art, it must be a place where public can see it. And some viewer also said, street art is very colorful, which is have a vibrant color and different from other art form. And another one is the street art is kind of expression of the artist him or herself. And what the artist feel when he or she draw the art. And then even there is some review said street art street art is exactly an art form, and it was street art is great, and because we can see it by sketching, by the sketching we can see many random things. We can see perhaps some alien when the artist draw it. And then the summarize of the video is the video actually talk about street art in Melbourne, where it came from New York in the early 1980s. And at first it start with a kind of slogan or maybe a silent protest from public public person to government. But as time move on, street art is taking a new uh, taking a one step forward, and suddenly it becomes a art form which create a new subculture in Melbourne. And then in the early 20th century, uh, the street art become new form of art has came out, such as pop, such as stencil or sticker. And currently, street art is the heart of the Melbourne pop culture and tourism. And some people also regard street art almost a true form of art. And in the video also, they say about the acceptance of Melbourne people, not only the authority but the citizen of Melbourne, where before they didn't really accept the street art, but now people accept it as a form of art. Even the authorities encourage young artists to do street art, which they give specific place for them to do the art form. And for the third question is, are those street art message or work of art? For me, I think it is a message from the artist himself, which he or she want to tell others. Because in street art, you can see that it's not only just work of words, but also some picture that they manipulate to something new. And I think it's really that the artist have something to tell to the viewer. And the fourth question is what inspire artists to create such artwork. Basically, the artists get inspiration to create those kind of artwork based on the previous work of art of other artists on the New York, where they want to do the same thing in Melbourne. Secondly, is maybe because the artist want to express his creativity toward spray can, towards American artwork, which uh, which will bring a new form of art. And thirdly is the artists want to tell something to the people, like any issue, currently issue, but instead of writing a form, writing a essay, the artist draw something on the wall so people can see what he trying to do, what he trying to tell to the people. And lastly is what I think of street art. What I think of street art is it is a good art because it let people give creativity, let out their creativity, and also it gives the opportunity for other people to try a new form of art. Instead of just drawing on the paper or canvas, we can draw on the wall, which is not really easy because by using spray can, they need to understand and master few skills to control the amount of spray that came out from the can. And of course, street art also give the positive value to positive impact to individuals because right now we can see that many people actually able to sell their art, and because of that this kind of art brings money to them. And secondly, street art also can be used to introduce themselves or the country by creating a really good art which can be accepted by the uh, international artists. And the third positive value is by doing street art, the youth generation able to develop their creativity, and by doing by drawing more art, more graffiti, they're able to maybe someday create new form of art after this. So basically is what my review to this video, and that's all for the project to sell. Thank you.